If you're listening to this video, it's probably because you want to destroy your competition on Amazon in 2022. In a previous video, I chatted about the 5 tips for beginners. Now, one of the things that I mentioned specifically was around building a business for somebody as opposed to a product-based business. Building a business for somebody allows you to do this number one strategy that's going to allow you to absolutely crush your competition. And what that is called niching down. Niching down essentially allows you to take your exact same product that you're selling against your competitors, specifically target it for behaviors, demographics, and a specific person, which is going to allow you to increase your price, therefore charge way of a higher ticket, therefore increase your profits, and therefore go after a market that none of your competitors are actually targeting. So if you're looking to destroy your competition, how about join a market that has little to no competition? So what you want to do now is find a winning product that sells on Amazon that's existing and does well already. By understanding your customer, what you can then do is niche down and get even more specific. I'm going to show you one specific example that will allow you and put this frame in your mind that by niching down, you'll be able to charge significantly higher and you'll have a more tailored, specific offer to a specific person. First of all, I want to give a huge shout out to Sean and Seth with Post Purchase Pro and their book, The Private Label Secrets for Millionaires. They went through this specific example and it absolutely blew my mind. I knew I needed to share it with my audience. So let's take a memory foam pillow for an example. This memory foam pillow, if you're looking on Amazon and you search it up, it sells for $19.99. I then take that same pillow, but I make it adjustable, okay? I'm now tailoring to people who want an adjustable memory foam pillow. Because of that one change, I'm able to charge $29.99. Now, I take that same pillow and I target it for side sleepers and people that snore. Because of that, I'm able to charge $79.99. Just think about it, guys. If you were to see a specific listing that is now targeting side sleepers and people that snore, that stands out for that customer. They know that that listing is talking to them specifically. They're going to be more inclined to purchase your product as opposed to a regular memory foam pillow that is now tailored to every single person on the market. I'm going to get even more specific here. I'm going to even niche down farther. A hypoallergenic bamboo pillow for people that have neck pain and back pain and also suffer with snoring. That right there, the fact that I'm now targeting people that will no longer have allergies that also target back and neck pain allows me to charge $139.99 for the same pillow that I started off with that competitors are selling for $19.99. And then lastly here, you can get even more specific, a medical grade bamboo hypoallergenic pillow that specifically tailors to people that have postpartum surgery with a shoulder injury. People that have gone through shoulder pain know that sleeping is one of the most painful things if you're not sleeping right. So if I'm now tailoring my product that works for people that have shoulder pain, they are going to be willing to spend their entire wallet in order to acquire that. I'm going to be able to charge $199 plus for that specifically because I'm specifically talking to somebody that has ongoing pain that knows they need to have good sleep, and in order to have good sleep, they need to have good quality products. Now that is the power of niching down, guys. The best part is the fact that you don't even need to change your product, but just change the way that it's presented and change and be more specific with who it's presented to. Because of that, you're able to increase your profits. You're able to charge a much premium price, and you're able to target a specific target market that will allow you to build a lot more brand loyalty and more trusted customers. If you guys are looking to start selling on Amazon, we go through a lot of these different strategies in our free Facebook community. I'm gonna go ahead and click and put the link in the bio and in the description here so that you can join that for free content and resources.